to VE Kids. Today, we're doing something extra fun. We're going to draw, count, and learn colors together. Let's start by drawing one balloon. This is our first balloon. And we'll color it red. Now we have one red balloon. Next, we'll draw a second balloon right next to it. We're coloring both of these balloons blue. Now we have two blue balloons. Let's add a third one. We'll color all three balloons yellow. Now we have three yellow balloons. Time to draw a fourth balloon. We're coloring all four balloons green now. Now we have four green balloons. And now let's draw a fifth and final balloon. We'll color all five balloons purple. Now we have five purple balloons. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job drawing, counting, and coloring with us today.